Hey guys, Google has just officially announced Android 12 at the opening keynote of this year's Google I/O DevSmith. Despite the fact that Android 12 has been available as a developer beta for the past 3 months, not all features and a new functionalized were revealed, making today's official announcement as intricate as it gets. Right off the bat, Android 12 strikes us with the refresh visual that give the operating system tons of much needed character. Aside from refreshed visuals, there are lots of new quality of life improvement and reimagined functionalities. Design is undoubtedly the biggest novelty with Android 12, and the new design language carries the oh so sweet Material You. The new interface visual are playful and vibrant, bringing a much needed revamp to the looks of the operating system. Gone are the domineering all-encompassing white backgrounds. In area the lightly colored pastel background that makes text, icons and on-screen content pop out while simultaneously adding a much needed splash of color throughout the whole interface. The color palette will automatically change based on the wallpaper you set for a more correct visual experience. Thanks to a future debut color extraction, Android will automatically determine which colors are dominating and which ones are complementary. Painting over the notification shades, the lock screen, the new volume control, the new widgets and much more. But color is not everything. Google has also sprinkled tons of smooth new animations that evoke a coherent feel of fluid throughout the whole interface. Aside from color and motions, the interface itself has been drastically changed. From one, the quick setting panel has also been streamlined. The brightness slider now sits at the top of the notification shades and it's much bolder and larger than before. The quick setting tiles are now just 4 when the notification shades isn't fully expanded, making for a clean appearance. Swipe down again and another 4 essential tiles will greet you. Of course, now playing music widget is still there when needed, giving you a easy access to your music or podcast. Google Pay and Home Control are also two quite important new arrivals to the notification panel. Well, Google has done it again. Each and every year Android becomes faster and more efficient, and you bet Android 12 is no different. Thanks to intricate under the hood improvement that made Android 12 faster and more responsive with better power efficient on the top of that in comparison with Android 11. Google says the CPU time needed for core system service has been reduced by up to 22%, while simultaneously reducing big core CPU used by the system server by up to 15%. Those are impressive gains that will definitely yield much better battery life in long run. What do you think about this change? Let me know in the comment section. For that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.